Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about Creative Fabrica All Access Free Trial. That was a lot to say. All right, so what is it? What can you do with it? I have an FAQ, so stay tuned towards the end and I'll go over some frequently asked questions about it straight from one of the Creative Fabrica representatives. So let's get started. Okay, Creative Fabrica All Access Free Trial. It's a promotional offer provided by Creative Fabrica, which is a digital marketplace for creative assets such as fonts, graphics, templates, and more. So for those of you that are not familiar with Creative Fabrica, the free trial allows users to access all of the premium content on the Creative Fabrica platform for a limited time period without having to pay anything. During this free trial, users can download and use any of the premium assets available on the platform without restrictions. This includes access to thousands of, like I said, the fonts, the graphics, the templates, illustrations, and other things that you can find on there. So that's usually only available for paying subscribers. And then at the end of the trial period, users can choose to continue their subscription to Creative Fabrica All Access, which will give you ongoing access to all the premium content that's on the platform, or you can opt out and not be charged anything. So are you creative? Do you have that creative soul and love to experiment with fonts and things? So I never was creative, but I started playing around with things and building this Etsy store. So I'm actually starting to enjoy it. It's kind of a downtime for me now. So that's been kind of a fun new outlet for me. Okay, so not only will you have access to the vast library of digital assets, but you'll also be part of a community of creative people from all around the world. So like-minded individuals that share the same passion for design and creativity as you do. And sometimes you can get some feedback and collaborate with others. And the best part is you can try it all for free. And I just wrote down no strings attached, no hidden fees. So you'll just want to sign up for the Creative Fabrica All Access Free Trial. They did give me a referral code. So it's not going to cost you anything, but if you click the link below, then I will get credit for sending someone to the free access trial. So please do so. Let me know below if you decide to try it out as well. I'd like to know and how you are loving it, so that it makes it easier for me to see if people are absolutely loving it and loving parts of it, loving all of it. There's stuff on there for teachers, which I find awesome. Okay, let's go to the FAQs now. I know you guys are so used to me always talking really fast, but I'll do the FAQs, and then at the end, I'm gonna let you know exactly what Creative Fabrica has asked me to let you know. All right, so let's do the FAQs first. The first one, do I get access to all files? Yes, once you sign up, you can immediately start downloading all files that are included in your subscription. What license is included? They say all downloads always come with our commercial use license. And then you can go to their website and view it there, or let me know and I will send you the link to that. What file formats are included? Most fonts offer both OTF and TTF, so OpenType and TrueType formats. All fonts include at least one of these formats. For crafts, we always include SVG, PNG, DXF, EPS. So I know some of those, but not all of those, to be honest. For graphics, it is up to the designer to choose the format. The included files are listed on the product page. You are allowed to convert them to other formats for your own use. Can I use the files commercially? Yes. You are allowed to use the fonts and designs in commercial projects. This license is valid worldwide, and the work that you create within your subscription period can be used forever, even after you cancel your subscription. So I thought that was really good. Can I cancel at any time? Yes. Although our subscriptions do automatically renew, you are free to cancel at any time. If you decide to cancel, you will keep having access until the end of your prepaid period. After that, your subscription will automatically stop and no further charges will occur. No questions asked. All right, and the last one, what happens when I end my subscription? Once you end your subscription, you will lose access to download new files and update. While you won't be allowed to create new work with the files you downloaded, you can keep using and selling the work that you created while you had an active subscription. All right, so if you have any questions, send them my way. I will get in touch with my Creative Fabrica guru, my counterpart on the other end, and I will ask her for some answers. So let's see. She wanted me to tell you that about the free trial, free access to over 6 million fonts and designs for the first month. Commercial license included. 10 download credits for 1 month. After the 10th download or 1 month, the free trial converts into an all access subscription of $9 per month. Normally it's $29 per month, guys. And then it says cancel anytime, no questions asked. Key message. This is the last thing I'm going to tell you. Okay, ready? The key message. They want me to let you know that the goal is to make the all access free trial subscription appeal to our audience, to my audience, which is homeschoolers, parents, teachers, moms, dads, crafters, so a little bit of everybody. And she said, imagine having access to everything on the Creative Fabrica website, teaching materials, fonts, graphics, crafts, knitting, and even classes. With the all access subscription, you get all that and more. This is great for teachers who like to create their own resources, those who love to craft and try something new. With the free trial, you can explore all the features, plus you will receive 10 free downloads. So why not take advantage of this free opportunity? You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. All right, so let me know your thoughts on that. Let me know if you'd like a quick little tutorial on going through the Creative Fabrica website, or you can check out one of my other videos. And that's it. All right, everyone, I hope you have an awesome, amazing day. And go check out Creative Fabrica. Please use my link below or message me down below if you have questions, or you can always email me, casey.oswald@gmail.com. All right, everyone, have a good one. Bye.